Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel, Flah Hadith Explained. Have you ever wondered about the guidelines and teachings of Islam regarding women going to the mosque? Well, today we delve into a few hadiths that elaborate on this matter. Our journey begins with a hadith narrated by Salim from his father, Abdullah bin Umar, where the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "When women ask permission for going to the mosque, do not prevent them." This hadith from Sahih Muslim underlines the freedom granted to women within Islam to participate in communal prayers at the mosque. However, it's not just about the freedom to attend the mosque. There are also guidelines about how women should conduct themselves when going to the mosque. For instance, Zainab Thaqafiya reported a hadith where the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stated, "When any one of you, women, participates in the Isha prayer, she should not perfume herself that night." This hadith, also from Sahih Muslim, highlights the importance of modesty and avoiding actions that might attract unnecessary attention. Then we have another hadith narrated by Amra, the daughter of Abd al-Rahmin, who reported hearing Aisha, the wife of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, say, "If the Prophet had seen what new things the women have introduced in their way of life, he would have definitely prevented them from going to the mosque, as the women of Bani Israel were prevented." This hadith, once again from Sahih Muslim, suggests that while women are allowed to go to the mosque, they should adhere to the teachings and principles of modesty and humility in Islam. So what have we learned today? Firstly, women in Islam are not barred from attending the mosque for prayers. Secondly, while women are allowed to go to the mosque, they are advised not to wear perfume when participating in the Isha prayer. This is to maintain modesty and avoid drawing unnecessary attention. Lastly, women are urged to adhere to the teachings of Islam in their lifestyle and conduct, especially when attending the mosque. Remember, these hadiths provide guidance, and their interpretation and application may vary among different scholars and communities. The underlying principle, however, remains the same: the encouragement of modesty, humility, and respect for the sanctity of the mosque.